5 cheapest yet great cars under $3,000. BMW 5 Series, Toyota Celia, Honda Accord, and more. Hello and welcome back to MIA Luxury Cars. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the 5 cheapest yet great cars under $3,000. Let's go! Number 1. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is an RBI triple. The agreement will be significantly less expensive, not just on the purchase price, but also on repairs and insurance. And these are all things to consider with cheap cars, which you can easily find with a manual transmission. And if you want to save the manuals, you know what to do. So, the Accord is a good mix of fun and fast while remaining incredibly reliable. And for our $3,000 budget, you can find a manual one all day long. Number 2. Honda CR-V. With 4-wheel drive, these SUVs are light on their feet and can go almost anywhere when paired with capable tires because of its dependability, as they have been known to travel well over 3,000 miles and beyond with only routine maintenance. The CR-V is the only vehicle you will ever need. The CR-V is the only vehicle you will ever need because it will never leave you stranded. And you have options for less than $3,000. You can choose between their first and second generations, such as this one with only 135,000 miles. Number 3. Lexus ES 300. For less than $3,000, you can go all out and get yourself a Lexus ES 300. Not only is the Lexus ES 300 luxurious, but it is also dependable. No matter which generation of ES 300 you choose, you will not be disappointed. You won't be limited to one generation for the price, as you can get a second, third, or fourth generation E for less than $3,000. You can get a second generation car for less than $1,800 and use the ideal car strategies negotiation tactics to get it down to $15,000, which is half of your budget. Incredible. However, if you want a more modern look and updated styling, the fourth generation is available for $2,900. Number 4. BMW 5 Series. BMW E21, E34, and E395 series models are some of the most fun cars available, regardless of price. Sure, you'll spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on maintenance, but that's over time, and you can get a prime E39 for just $2,800. Number 5. Toyota Celica. They're becoming increasingly difficult to come by, especially with a $3,000 budget. However, the value of these vehicles could skyrocket in the near future. Toyota reliability, and we're in all of our favorite childhood video game series. You are aware of the need for speed underground. Not only was it in NFSU, but the legendary Scotty Kilmer is a fan of these cars for their dependability and simplicity. Most of these cars are manual, and if you can find one or can afford one, the GTS model, as it has the same engine as the Lotuses, or the Lotus has the same sporty engine as what you find in this model, is the one to get. Whichever way you look at it, the GTS is the best option. Despite the GT model, you can get one with less than 90,000 miles on it for your $3,000 budget. So which of these vehicles is the best for under $3,000? And which car caught your interest? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoy this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.